Good Wednesday morning to you. Yep, halfway through the week almost, and your English, remember, you are tuning in here every day, and I applaud you for this. Why? Because you want to learn English the fun and the easy way, and you also know that you retain more of it when you learn it at a controlled, steady pace. And remember, all of these words, even though they are the 600 essential words that you need to succeed in the IELTS exam, these words will serve you well no matter what it is that you want to do, even if you just want to improve your confidence in social situations. So let's get to today's word, shall we? Today's word is, it's not a happy word, but it is what it is. Destruction is the word. It's a noun, and the definition is the action or process of causing so much damage to something that it no longer exists and cannot be repaired. Here we go. The hurricane caused the total destruction of the small coastal town. In other words, it just leveled it, okay? Total destruction, okay? Now, we don't use it this way as often, the action or process of killing or being killed. World War II is an example of mass destruction of human life. In other words, just leveling it. And example number 3, the cause of someone's ruin. You know, you have a really good life and then all of a sudden it just goes, meow. Okay, well, here's your sentence. His gambling addiction was his destruction. In other words, it leveled him. Okay, so basically you could say that destruction is a leveling thing. Yeah. Okay, tomorrow is a happier word, I promise. If you have any questions about today's word, any words that we do here, or my online courses, let's just have a chat. The contact information is down below, and until we do that, and until I see you for tomorrow's word of the day, go ahead, be fluent, and what is it? You know it. Fabulous. Bye for now.